Today we are just going to discuss about some important facts on William Shakespeare, and these are the some important question. So without wasting our time, we are just moving towards question answer. This is the first question: who made the study of imagery in Shakespeare? We are having a 30-second. What would be the correct answer? Yes, good. So answer would be Caroline. So Caroline would be the correct answer. Who made the study of imagery? That was the Caroline. ये जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं सारे आए हुए हैं एग्जाम्स में. So these are the most important question. You can just go through it. Now we are just moving to the next question. Who would consider Shakespeare an imperial author? This is the also be an important question. Who would consider Shakespeare an imperial author? First option is new critics, second is new Aristotelian critics, then the feminist, and the last D1 is post-colonial critics. What would be the correct answer? You are having a 30-second. Good. So answer would be here. We can just see it here. The answer would be post-colonial critics. Post-colonial critics consider Shakespeare an imperial author. So this would be the answer. And this is the answer. Now we are just moving to the next question. I have taken a 20 questions here. Who calls Hamlet the Mona Lisa of literature? Who called Hamlet the Mona Lisa of literature? You are having a 30-second. We can just also eliminate the answers actually. For example, first one is A.C. Bradley. A.C. Bradley did not say that kind of things to the particular Shakespeare. And another one is F.R. Lewis. No, he can't say. So then what would be the answer? Give me the answer first. So as we can see it, the first option A.C. Bradley, we can just easily cut it. Answer would be T.S. Eliot. Now there was moving to the next question. Who among the following said that in Shakespeare's great tragedies character is destiny? Very important question. Who among the following said that in Shakespeare's great tragedies character is destiny? You are having a 30-second. So first option is Samuel Johnson. Second is A.C. Bradley. Third one is H.G. Coleridge. And the last one is T.S. Eliot. So we can easily eliminate it. Samuel Johnson nothing said about that particular things. And A.C. Bradley has just written the tragedies or the other things or edited the Shakespeare's work. So answer would be the A.C. Bradley. A.C. Bradley would be the correct answer. This is the answer. Now we are just moving to the next question. Who said that Shakespeare in his comedies has only heroine and no heroes? This is the most repeatedly asked the question in exams. Most repeatedly. So we can just put it the answer here. You are having a 30-second. First option is Ben Jonson. Second is John Ruskin. And third is Thomas Carlyle. And the fourth one is William Hazlitt. What would be the correct one? Shakespeare in his comedies has only heroines and no heroes. We are talking about the criticism. So answer would be John Ruskin. Next is, this is also be from the Shakespeare. The quote, love looks not with the eyes but with the mind and therefore is winged, Cupid painted blind, occurs in. They are asking about these lines are taken from which play of Shakespeare? Love looks not with the eyes but with the mind and therefore is winged, Cupid painted blind. Answer it first. You are having a 30-second. Option A, Midsummer Night Dream. Second option B, Love Never Lost. C, Antony and Cleopatra. And the Merry Wives of Windsor. What would be the correct answer? These lines are taken from Midsummer Night Dream. Now the Shakespeare sonnets 1 to 26 generally shows reaction of. And these are the important question. You can just write down the question as well as to the answers. So 1 to 126 generally shows generally philosophy on life. Option B, dramatic interchange between the lovers. C, personal relationship with the young rich patterns. As we all know, I'm just giving the some additional information about this. So this would be the correct answer. This would be the correct answer. This would be the correct answer, because personal relationship with the young rich patterns here, Shakespeare, under the Shakespeare sonnets 1 to 26, he did not explain about the person. He just talked about the young person, but he did not declare the name. But whenever we are just talking about the dark lady, so sonnet 26 sonnet is dedicated to the dark lady. So if the question is they are asking sonnet 26 is dedicated to the dark lady, if they are asking the Shakespeare sonnets 1 to 26 generally shows the reenaction of, then answer would be the पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप विद यंग रिच पैटर्न्स. ये सारे ही क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं एग्जाम में. नाउ वी आर जस्ट मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन विच शेक्सपियर प्ले डज current appears. So this is the minor character, or whenever we are talking about the Shakespeare work, they always ask a minor character. They are not asking about the protagonist or the antagonist or the other things. They always ask a minor character. So in which place this character will appear? So they are asking about it, this character. So this will appear in King Lear. Now we are just moving to the next question. In which play of Shakespeare does the Adam appear? This is also be an important character. The Mary Pipe Windsor, As You Like It, Twelfth Night, The Tempest. Important character. Very good. The answer would be As You Like It. Who described the ideal commonwealth in Tempest? Who described the ideal commonwealth in the Tempest? If I'm just talking about the Tempest, Tempest is the last published play of the Shakespeare, and we can just talk about if they are asking the question as an epilogue. So epilogue means end of writing. So we are just talking about if they are asking about the question related to the epilogue, so answer would be the Tempest. And this is the other question. Who described the ideal commonwealth in the Tempest? That correct answer would be Gonzalo. So Gonzalo would be the correct answer. Now we are just moving to the next question. Thank you so much. Many questions is already done. If you need a more question related to the other writers or the Shakespeare, please put it in comments so I can just post it another video to you. Thank you so much.